So boys and girls, welcome to this video, and in this video it's a bit of a different one, and I don't see a lot of people do this because they want to get you on a call first to explain what they actually do and then hard sell you. But I'm not like that. I only want people who generally want to and who are motivated to grow their business with content. But I'm gonna speak about what we actually do at JMBMEDIA today. So let's get straight into it. We help build personal brands and also convert attention into paying clients. We take over our clients' short form content creation process, so everything to do with ideation, scripting and editing, and also filming. We hop on calls to film with them, and we also consult the clients on how to turn attention into paying clients. We have a full program about the content magnify funnel, which is our conversion mechanism. So that's exactly what we do, and here's some proof of concept. We have helped 2 of our clients build a brand of 100k followers each. Okay, one of the clients makes 950k annually from Airbnb, nearly $1 million a year, and his personal brand helps that happen. One of my clients made 5k from just one video, and this was just 6 days into the month. So if you do 5k every 6 days, that's like 25k in 1 month. And one of my clients consistently gets 50k views on each video. So every time he posts, 50,000 eyes onto his offer and his business, and ready to convert. Okay, so proofs in the pudding, guys. As you can see, 4k so far this month, 5k since October 1st, 6 days in, 50k consistently, 100k, 100k, 50k, 60k, 100k followers, 100k followers, 4 million views, nearly 3.9 million views. And I've also, proof of concept, I've also been able to scale my own business with this funnel, with this with our service. Okay, not like the gurus who sell you something they don't even do themselves. I actually do this myself. I implement this. This is our conversion mechanism. The one that I provide for our clients is my conversion mechanism. So the content magnifier funnel also allows me to attract 6k clients to my offer. And also, proof is in the pudding again. All this moolah, all here, 12k. Got to cover these up, by the way. That's why they're covered up. It's just the email. I don't want to give away my clients' emails. All this. So yeah, you can now see proof is in the proof is in the pudding. And yeah, so what do we actually do? What's our service delivery consist of? And our service delivery consists of ideation, scripting, content messaging dialed in, and editing for short form content. Then we also have bi-weekly consulting calls / filming sessions, 24/7 Slack access, and the content magnify program, which is 22 plus modules long with multiple lessons in each module, and it helps you add an additional 10 to 30k to your monthly recurring revenue, and also add 30k plus to your monthly recurring revenue. All you have to do is add 2 simple things once you get to that amount. So but it's all in the program. So that's exactly what we do. Our service delivery consists of ideation, scripting, content messaging, getting their content messaging dialed in, and editing for short form content. We tailor a specific editing style towards their short form content, and also bi-weekly consulting calls / filming sessions, and also 24/7 Slack access and the content magnify program. So what is our conversion mechanism? So first we have like kind of 2 funnels. Well, it's not 2 funnels, but it's 2 separate things. So once they get to a certain amount, we add on these 2 things. We help add on these 2 things. But to add an extra 10 to 30k to their monthly recurring revenue, all this funnel consists of is posting short form content, which we do for them, getting their messaging dial, which we do for them, leading to their profiles and making sure their profiles optimized to lead to longer form content. Then the longer form content, once they binge watch that, leads to another YouTube video. It's positioned as a free training, but it's actually a video sales letter. And normally people convert from this video sales letter because they've binge watched their short form content, messaging's been dialed in, they've given away a ton of value, they've seen case studies, etc. They've been through the long form content where you go into in detail client case studies and in detail step-by-step processes. They binge watched that, they've seen the VSL, and the VSL convinces the prospect that their process is the process they need to get from point A to point B, which is their desired outcome, and they normally book a call from that. But if the VSL doesn't convert, we create a free community within the VSL description of the YouTube description, and they normally join that. If they're not ready to invest yet, they just want a bit more info, they want a bit more value, they join the free community, and then all we help do is retarget them with short form content, long form content, community content, until they're ready to pull the plug, book a call and invest in their services. And the best thing about these calls is they're not sales calls, they're send the invoice calls, because they've got all the information they need from the content beforehand. They have 0 to few objections on that said call, because we also help qualify the prospects with a form and also an after calls book nurturing process. And that means they're just going to be ask a few questions on those said calls and be like, send the invoice. Another way what we teach our clients to do is actually reach out to prospects when they interact with their short form content consistently. A lot of online coaches say reach out straight away. Gives a bad first impression. Don't do that. Reach out when they interact consistently, then book them on a call, and again send the invoice calls because they've been through your content. They just need that nudge over the edge to actually book a call. And then once clients add 10 to 30k to their monthly recurring revenue, or they see this funnel kind of slowing down a bit, it just depends on what's happening, we add in 2 simple things. And this is on Instagram, but the whole goal of this funnel is to lead to longer form videos, which is YouTube, and then to the VSL. So what we implement is a follow ad and just a few retargeting ads to get them back into the funnel. So retarget the people, go onto their Instagram profile, get them back in the funnel, offer them something free, maybe a free training, or offer them to join the community to get nurtured. And it's the same exact funnel, it's just a follow ad on Instagram. So optimize an Instagram ad optimizing for the follow, and then retargeting those people who came onto the profile who were interested because they went onto your profile but just didn't do anything, didn't take action. And then it's the same funnel, long form content, VSL, community if they don't convert from the VSL, book call, money, loads of money. So that's exactly what we do at JMB Media. We help build personal brands and also help convert attention into paying clients, which is the most important thing. So if you want this all implemented with and for you, or if you're interested for more information, book a call with the link in the description, or DM me on Instagram the word magnify for more info. Or if you're not ready to invest into yourself and grow your business, join the free community where we go into detail about these 2 funnels. Like I give away free trainings like every week. It's crazy in there. I give away so much value, 10 times the amount of value on my YouTube channel. I give 10 times the amount of value away in that said community. It's free, by the way. I just thought I'd let you know about our offer and what we do at JMB Media. If you're interested, again, book a call or DM me magnify on Instagram. Instagram will be down below in the description. Or if you're not ready to go all in yet, just join the free community where I give away a bunch of value. So yeah, guys, I hope you got some. I normally say I hope you got some value from this video, but it was really just going through my offer and what you can expect if you join us. When you join us, because I want you to join us. And we fully focus on getting our clients results. We hold their hand along the way and do parts for them. So if you want more information, again, remember what to do. And yeah, thanks guys for watching this. Really appreciate it. Have a nice week. Peace.